Bangaphansi kwephesenti abantu bakulelizwe abanikela ngegazi. Abakwa SANBS bathi badinga kakhulu labo begazi eliku group B+, AB- no O+.
The national blood stock levels declined now from 5 days to a critically 2.3 days. We are appealing to the public to donate blood and to boost blood supply ahead of the Christmas weekend with the stock levels which is currently very low. We have blood drives planned around the country in our fixed donor centres as well as in shopping malls.
Njengoba bebaningi abantu abathatha uhambo kulamaholide nengozi zikhona emgwaqweni, abanikela ngegazi banxuswa ukuthi banikele ukuze lihlale lenele igazi uma lidingeka.
I think it's very important to donate blood because especially in festive times, there's a lot of accidents, a lot of people are getting hurt, people are always ending up in hospital during festive, so it's very important to donate blood to rescue lives. Even throughout the year, I guess, for me it's important to donate throughout the year, not only festive, but it's more important festive to donate, yeah.
It's important to donate blood because we are saving lots of lives. There's most of people who need blood.
Omunye wabanikela ngegazi uthi bayadingeka kakhulu abanikela ngegazi abansundu.
I mean, you presenting someone with another chance of life by donating. And ever since I've been coming here, I see a quite, let's say, a minimal amount of black people because there's that stigma that donating blood is not within our cultural, how can I put it? It's not within our culture or something like that because of the misconception relating to blood and everything. So hence I'm trying to be that difference in donating blood and saving a life.
Ukuze lenele igazi, iSANBS kufanele iqoqe ama-unit ayizinkulungwane 3 egazi ngosuku.